If you're trying to decide between Builderall versus Instapage for your landing page needs, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into both platforms and helping you figure out which one truly stands out when it comes to building high-converting landing pages. First up, let's talk about Builderall. Builderall offers a variety of tools that can help you create landing pages, but it's more of an all-in-one marketing platform. It includes everything from email marketing to funnel building and even a website builder. But here's the catch, it can feel overwhelming with so many features packed into one platform. While the landing page builder is decent, it's not as intuitive as some of the dedicated landing page tools out there. And the templates? They're not bad, but they're not exactly stunning either. You'll likely need to spend more time customizing them to get a professional look. Next thing to consider is Instapage. Instapage is built specifically for creating landing pages, and it shows. The platform is incredibly user-friendly with a drag-and-drop editor that makes designing your page quick and easy. Instapage also stands out with its clean, conversion-optimized templates. But here's where it gets interesting. Instapage is more expensive than Builderall. The pricing structure might be a turnoff for those on a tight budget. The key difference is that you're paying for something focused purely on landing pages, so if that's your sole goal, you might find it more than worth it. Now, let's talk about speed and performance. Builderall's landing pages load decently well, but when compared to Instapage, the difference is noticeable. Instapage takes the lead here with faster loading times, which is crucial for conversions. Slow loading pages can cause visitors to bounce, and in a competitive world of online marketing, that's something you don't want. Instapage's performance is top tier for a landing page tool. The next thing to consider is analytics and A/B testing. Builderall does have some analytics tools, but they can feel limited and not as advanced as what Instapage offers. With Instapage, you get in-depth insights and robust A/B testing options, which are key to improving conversion rates over time. If data-driven optimization is important to you, Instapage reporting is a clear winner. The fourth thing is integration options. Both Builderall and Instapage integrate with popular tools like MailChimp and Google Analytics. However, Instapage really shines when it comes to its integrations with third-party apps and CRM systems. If you already use a wide range of tools, Instapage gives you more flexibility to connect them to your landing pages. But here's a huge drawback for both platforms: customer support. Builderall offers 24/7 support, but it can be hit or miss. Sometimes the response times can be slow, and finding answers to more complex questions can be frustrating. Instapage also has customer support, but it's not exactly known for being fast either. In both cases, if you run into an issue, expect to spend some time troubleshooting. Lastly, pricing. This is where it really gets tricky. Builderall's all-in-one pricing structure might seem like a good deal at first, but once you add up all the tools you don't need, it can quickly become expensive. Instapage, on the other hand, is more expensive upfront, but delivers a pure landing page experience with features tailored specifically to that goal. So, after trying both Builderall and Instapage myself, I'll say they both have their merits. Builderall is perfect for someone who wants an all-in-one marketing platform with a range of tools, but if your goal is simply to create high-converting landing pages, Instapage might be a better fit, even if it's a bit pricier. However, I have a better alternative to recommend. If you're serious about landing page success and want a truly optimized experience, you should check out the link in the description below for a free trial of an even more effective platform. This tool offers the best of both worlds: speed, performance, integrations, and pricing that's more in line with what most people need. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers, so don't miss out.